Oh, see, I seat it all the way in. Let's drag it back off. Stand it back out. Yep, it's the tool I always use for it. And I got a bunch of anti-seize on here too. So that way it can go up and down real smooth, because I done use this thing a lot. And then what I always like to do too, always keep an extra bolt. Supposed to torque this to 250 foot-pounds, but I don't never do it. This is the way I do it. I always get my 15/16 or a 24mm socket in my Milwaukee. Put it on the highest setting, hold it, run on until it stops. This is my used bolt, so I always take this one back out and put my new one in. Now I know my crank is seated all the way in. See? Crank seated. Oh, you know. In fact, let me see.